After doing all of your definitions for the news jargon assignment, you'll need to print off a front page from the museum's front page. The museum is a museum in Washington, D.C., and they collect the front pages of every single paper around the world. So you can look for today's pages if you would like. And when you see something that looks pretty interesting, um, you can check that one out. So taking a look here, and I'm looking at some different ones. I'm going to pick this one. So click on the paper, but here's what you want to do differently. You do not want to print it. You want to make it a PDF. So click the PDF, save it in your downloads. And then when you have that done downloading, you can open it. And then at this point, you want to print it. You do not have to print it in color. You can print it to the black white if you want to. You can print it in color if that's really important to you. And then you will print it. Once you have it printed, then you will start to label all of the things. Here's a freebie. This right here, where it says Phoenix, that is the dateline. Okay, so it shouldn't take you too long to do this, but it's pretty easy to do.